Today we are mapping a Seat Toledo TDI. It's a 1.6. It's 105 brake horsepower. It's actually made a 105 brake horsepower on the dyno. It's got an interesting ECU that we have to have unlocked using the CMD server. So theoretically, the car is connected to the laptop's connected to the internet's connected to a server in Italy, where they unlock the ECU, all done remotely. And then we can finally read the file off before it goes into Windows. That's all good. We're getting on with that. And yeah, it should make a decent increase. Certainly going to feel faster at 105 brake. I mean, it's a big car, it's a heavy car, so it definitely needs a little bit more punch. So that's what we're attempting to do. CMD doing its thing. Unlocking ECUs before we get started. Okay, so she's done very, very well. We've got her from 100 brake horsepower up to 127 brake horsepower, but as you'll notice, we've ironed out some flat spots and, well, we've made 60 foot-pound of torque. 60 foot-pound of torque. That's exactly what that needed. And yeah, that's going to feel incredible. There's another one done. Custom mapping at Dynodaze.